Awesome. Did you see me pull the hearse in?
I seen you pull the hearse, and that hearse looks awesome. It's gonna go real good with that ambulance next to it.
It looks pretty good.
It looks really good. My name is Chuck Harrell. I own Springfield Auto Recyclers. I started in 1972. If you need an old car part, we may have it, and we will sell it to you at a good price.
So I talked to Mike a little bit ago. I told him I was coming down anyway with the hearse, and he said he had a couple of Charger bumpers. One of them he thought was a fresh chrome. I was wondering if I could take a look at that one.
Let's go do it at the shop.
You know, besides being just absolutely swamped, which is why you're helping me out,
Yes.
things are going good, I think.
Piss on this. Come on, Royal, let's go do something else,
attitude
man.
like that, we really don't need that around here, Josh.
Oh, yeah, Darren.
In the last couple of months, I've really been giving the guys a lot of extra tasks, and they've been coming through.
Who are you to come through and start delegating?
Maybe you should go back and sell nuts and bolts again.
It won't take that long.
So I got a lot of confidence. It's why, like, even today, I can get out and do this, because remember, you haven't seen me for a long time.
Long time.
So
yeah.
it's at a point
you were really
where
busy down there now.
we are, and like I say, I
Okay.
can really trust them. And so you got them in here.
Yep. Oh, well, there was 2 bumpers in here, but now there's only one. I only have this one. Well,
That is a 69 Charger bumper. You want to?
Yep, I'm gonna have to go back up
Maybe
and
he
see.
pulled. Yeah, check and see. Maybe he pulled it. I would have
Yeah.
expected he did.
Yeah,
but I might
better
buy
go
this
down
one
there.
though as a core. Just
All right. Well, we can make you a deal on that one. But let me find out where that rechrome. Maybe he pulled it up and laid it up in front and went there. I'll be right back.
Okay.
I'll just double check it.
the good news is there's one in there that's a good donor core. But when I talked to Mike earlier today, he had told me he had one that had just been chromed that he bought from some guy at a swap meet. Chuck thinks it's supposed to be in that Chrysler. I don't think it's in that Chrysler, so I'm hoping it's up front or wherever they're at. I'm hoping so anyway, because we're running out of time on our Daytona. It'd be nice not to have to send one out for chrome, but we'll see.
Yeah, well,
That's not a good looking face.
yep. Mike said he had it, but he sold it this morning. Did you tell him you wanted it?
Well, I didn't say I wanted it. I told him I was gonna come look at it.
Mark, you know, lots of people are looking for these bumpers. Sold it, out the door, gone.
F. Okay,
Gone.
well, this is a good core.
Yeah, at least you got something to rechrome anyway. Yep,
Well,
should have done that, but should have.
$100 for a core?
Yep,
Yep. You
sure.
got it.
All right,
Well, other
we
than
got it.
So meanwhile, I'm bragging up how great my guys are doing, and I screwed up and didn't buy a bumper when I should have.
Only for you, Mark, it happened.
You know, it's a special thing pretty much. Hey, it's better than nothing. And again, thanks for letting me store the old Frankenhearse.
Hey, no problem. I hope you do well with your bumper.
I'm gonna go back
Next time, I want it. Say,
Yep,
I
I got it. I got it. I got
right.
it. Not your fault. See you, Chuck. Thanks,
Yeah,
man.
see you later, Mark. Bye.
Basically, I think I did really well today. We got the hearse out of there. That gave us some room down there at the shop. I did end up with a donor bumper for the Charger because I didn't even have one of those. I'm gonna go back to the shop. If they've got the suspension together, we can get the car loaded on the suspension and get that thing moved back in the assembly room.